UV printing is a form of digital printing that uses ultraviolet lights to dry or cure ink as it is printed. As the printer distributes ink on the surface of a material, specially designed UV lights follow close behind, curing or drying the ink instantly. There are different ways to generate UV light, and we are using the latest LED UV lights that are durable and have low energy consumption. And because the UV lights cure the ink immediately, the dots of wet ink do not get a chance to spread out once printed, resulting in much finer detail. In addition, UV cured inks are weather resistant and offer increased resistance to fading. For single printhead printers, by default, only one LED UV lamp is installed to lower the machine's price. And with this one lamp, the ink is cured once with one print cycle. And the results are phenomenal. Take a look at this. But of course, we do have the option of installing the second LED UV light, which will increase the quality slightly. The choice is yours.
In 2020, we celebrate 8 years in business, heading toward infinity and beyond. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.